Hey guys, let's embark on a journey through time to untangle the fascinating history of a modest yet essential piece of furniture, the side table. Just imagine yourself in a cozy, dimly lit room with a warm cup of tea in hand as we delve into the world of craftsmanship and innovation that gave birth to this indispensable companion. Picture this. It's the early days of human civilization. Our ancestors are squatting around a fire, gnawing on some freshly caught mammoth, when they suddenly realize they need a place to put their mammoth bone tools and beverages. Eureka! Someone probably exclaimed, in their own caveman lingo, and the concept of the side table was born. Now, fast forward a few thousand years to ancient Egypt. Here, we find ourselves in the lap of luxury, with pharaohs and queens reclining on ornate couches, surrounded by lavish side tables adorned with exquisite hieroglyphic carvings. These tables weren't just functional, they were a symbol of power and opulence. Who wouldn't want to rest their goblet of fine wine on a table that screams, "I'm the ruler of the Nile"? But the journey of the side table doesn't stop there. Let's leap over to ancient Greece, where philosophers gathered in grand halls to contemplate the meaning of life and argue about who had the best beard. In these intellectual salons, they needed a convenient place to rest their scrolls, laurel wreaths, and cups of wine. Philosophy is thirsty work, after all. The Greeks introduced the klysmos, a low, curvy chair with attached armrests that served as a primitive side table. It's amazing how the pursuit of wisdom can lead to such practical innovations. As we fast forward through the annals of history, we arrive in the opulent courts of Versailles during the reign of the Sun King, Louis XIV. Oh, what a time to be alive! The Palace of Versailles was the epitome of extravagance, and the side table was an integral part of the sumptuous interior decor. Tables with gilded legs and marble tops graced the royal chambers, serving as resting places for elegant porcelain tea sets and fragrant bouquets of freshly picked flowers. The side table, now a status symbol, had truly arrived. The 18th century brought us the Age of Enlightenment and a renewed focus on comfort and functionality. Enter the guéridon, a French term for a small circular table. These compact wonders were designed to hold reading materials, candles, and, of course, a well-deserved glass of cognac. The guéridon quickly became a must-have for every enlightened thinker's study, a testament to the balance of intellect and comfort. In the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution changed everything, and side tables took on new shapes and sizes. The use of cast iron and other metals allowed for intricate decorative designs, while the mass production of furniture made side tables more accessible to the common folk. It was the era of Victorian elegance and eclectic tastes, where every parlor had its own unique side table, often featuring ornate woodwork and exotic materials. And now, here we are in the 21st century, where side tables come in countless shapes, sizes, and materials to suit every taste and interior design. From sleek, minimalist pieces to bold, statement-making tables, the side table has truly evolved to meet the diverse needs and preferences of today's discerning homeowners. In conclusion, dear friends, the history of the side table is a testament to the evolution of human society, our ever-expanding need for comfort and functionality, and our unceasing quest for beauty in the everyday objects that surround us. So, the next time you rest your cup of coffee or your favorite novel on a side table, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of craftsmanship and innovation that have led to this small yet significant piece of furniture. It may be a sidekick, but it's certainly not a side story in the grand tale of human ingenuity.